Here's how to change your YouTube channel name in this quick YouTube tutorial. This process used to be a little bit tougher, but YouTube has made it real simple for creators to change the name on their channel right now, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. And it doesn't matter if you have a personal channel or a branded channel, these steps will work exactly the same. All right, so let's get right into it. All right, so first step is you want to be signed into your YouTube account, and you're going to go right up here to the icon on the top right side. You're going to click on that. Then you're just going to slide right down here and click on this tab right here, YouTube Studio. All right, once you're on this screen, you're just going to go to the left side and scroll down to this customization tab and click on that. Now, once that loads, you're just going to go right here to this third option, which is the basic info. And you'll see directly here on the top is going to be your YouTube channel name. And what I'll do just for this presentation, I'll just take off the LLC from the name. It'll strictly be MTK Marketing. So once you've decided on your new channel name, all right, it's also important to go to your YouTube handle, because more than likely if you're going to change the actual name, you want the handle to match with that same exact name, so it'll make it searchable and more easier to find you if you're giving out a particular name. All right, so for this, same thing, I'll take off the LLC on the end there. All right, and as you can see, it's saying that the handle isn't available. I've got many YouTube channels, so I'm pretty sure that's mine as well. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'll keep mine back at LLC. I do recommend having your handle be the same exact as their YouTube name that you just changed. All right, so once you have your name changed and you have the check mark next to your handle, you're just gonna go right up here and click on the Publish tab. Channel. All right, so this notification will pop up. I've done this before and this notification hasn't happened. All right, so don't be worried if you do see this notification. We'll just go through an extra layer of security. All right, click on next. So they're gonna send a notification to my phone and I just have to verify it. And it leads me right here back to the original page. All right, so as you can see, the new channel is now active. All right, so one important thing to know about the name changing, you can only change the name twice within a 14-day period. You know, don't get too crazy trying to change it every other day, but you can change the name twice every 14 days. In the future, you decide that, you know, your channel is going in a whole different direction, different niche, you can still change the name once again to fit that particular type of content. And that's literally how simple it is to change your YouTube channel name. All right, so if I go back here and I go to my channel, all right, you'll see now the LLC is removed and the name is strictly MTK Marketing. Once again, you're gonna go click on this icon on top right, click on YouTube Studio, scroll down to customization, and you're gonna go to the basic info area and change the name and the handle. All right, so thanks for watching the video. Catch you on the next one. Peace.